Hello and welcome to Gold US Dollar Technical Analysis. So I decided to make another video on gold. I'm at the moment just still not sure what to make of gold. I mean, it looks like 1, 2, 3, we're in a 4 and get a 5 afterwards. Maybe this 5 will lead to $1,700. Who knows? But then again, as I mentioned, I think it was at the end of last year, the commitment of traders data is, so the managed money is still very, very long in gold already. So this would point against a rally in gold. But yeah, we will just have to wait and see what gold does next, basically. The question for the moment right now is possibly, or probably, is this already the next push to the upside, which might lead to $1,700, or is this just an A, B wave up and then we get another C down to a new low, maybe at 1,519 or something? So if we take retracements of this movement all the way up there, we can see that gold pretty much bounced off this 0.5 retracement at 1536.63. So definitely a price range which posts some support for gold. But then again, another dip down to 1519, perfectly possible. I mean, if we just turn the retracements around and take them from this high to the low, we can see that gold pretty much went up to this 0.618 retracement. I mean, there was a little overshoot, but then again, gold came down again, and the bodies of the candles just basically kept the price range under this retracement. So there's a good chance that this was just a correctional move up, like a wave B, and we will now get a wave C down, maybe into the area of 1519, where there's a good chance that buyers will act here and buy gold again and drive gold at least a little bit up, maybe for another correctional move before it goes down once again. Who knows? All in all, for this to stay a 1, 2, 3, 4, gold basically has to stay above this price area. This is at approximately 1486. I think if I put it in 100% precise, it's a little bit off. We can see that it's around 1487. That's it, probably. That looks good. Okay. So this is basically the make or break for a wave 4. If this is not the case, obviously, as I mentioned in one of my earlier videos, this is the next make or break. So if this is not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this could be a 1, 2, or all of this a 1. So you could also count it as this being the 1, a running correctional formation all the way to here, basically. Then this move up to here, the 4 being here and the 5 being there, and all of this could be a wave 1, and this could be a wave 2. And obviously wave 2s can go deeper than wave 4s, because wave 4 is not allowed to go into the price range of wave 1. This could also go down basically all the way to down here, but in my opinion, gold is so high right now, and it's in such a bullish move, and has been basically all the last months, from nearly half a year now, or close to 1 year already. And so in my opinion, I don't think we will break this price area once again. So If gold comes back down, there's a very, very good chance that we will meet buyers at $1,519, which was the other retracement. And that from there the next movement up starts, which hopefully should take gold to $1,700. And this is a very, very important price range, as at $1,700 there will be a big decision point whether gold can reach new highs, which might be just as high as $2,000 or $2,200, or if gold for the moment will bounce off and really correct once more and really deep. So from there, there's a good chance that there's a correction move at least down into this 1400 range from an Elliott wave perspective. But yeah, this is just, we will have to see how gold behaves at $1,700 in order to make decisions and scenarios and to somehow determine probabilities for those scenarios. Yeah, so until we see otherwise, this is still my 1, 2. In my book, we're still in the 4 right now. There's a good chance this 4 goes down to 1519, as I mentioned just a few moments ago. And this wave 5 could go all the way up to $1,700. Obviously, once this kicks off, this wave 5 will again hold this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So this won't probably will not be a straight move up, but rather something like this again, and all in all form this wave 5. And yeah, there's this big decision point, and we will see what gold does there. But for the moment, yeah, there's a good chance this is a B, C down to 1519, and then the next move up. Okay, so that's it for gold for the moment. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.